SpongeBob SquarePants. Oh, yo, look what it's got. I can't. You can swim though. Hey, you got Squidward. This way. Come on, Spongey. Way to go, Batman.
We have conquered Captain America.
Don't stop! Come on, Chewbacca!
What do I got?
Big Snook. He's up.
SpongeBob SquarePants. We're gonna go looking for Squidward today. But we're gonna do it above the sea instead of below. Squidward! Where are you? Shaggy told me to get some Scooby snacks. I love Scooby snacks. John, since you have a mullet, I think this is most fitting for you.
What do we got? Hold up, let me see this thing.
The mullet man himself. Oh, that's funny. You gotta make the Chewbacca sounds. You're doing better, much better. Your drag's too loose. Hitch your drag real fast. Now go. Keep going, pull right, because the wreck's on your left, so you gotta pull right. Keep going, don't stop. You're doing good. Go, don't stop, Ethan, you're doing good. Keep going, you're doing a good job, my man. Slower on your lift, faster on your way down. There you go. Slower on the way up. There you go. I think it's been eaten, but go, we're good.
Coming to the top. Getting chased.
Come on, reel down. Come on, you're doing good. Too fast on your way up. There you go. See how you move it more? Don't slow up right here. This is where he's going to get eaten. Your lift is still, your reel down has to go faster. There you go. Just like that. Go. It might be a Snook. I don't know. No, it's been eaten. Come on. It's been eaten. Let's go. Yeah, Dolphin might be on it. Go. Oh, something's trying to eat it. Look on the top.
Oh, he's going crazy.
On the top. Get him, young Stormtrooper. Come on, baby. Don't stop. Vader will be proud. There you go. All right, bring it. There we go. All right, flip your bell. Yeah. Woo! I can't see if it's in the well.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, we're on a search for Squidward. However, you think it's SpongeBob, but in actuality, Captain America.
Turn it.
Yeah, turn it towards it so we can see SpongeBob. There you go. Go. Come to the back, John. Come to the back. Lift and come. Go.
I can't say that.
Don't pause. I'm losing my hand. You gotta scoot back and you let him get in front of you. Come on, SpongeBob. Where is he? Hey, SpongeBob, were you using the Scooby snack?
Yeah.
Turn towards your fish. Turn. There you go. Go.
Turn. I'm just pumping.
Go. You're doing good. Bob.
You see him?
Let's go. Go this way. Come this way. There we go. You gotta get up. Go to the other side now. Shoot from front to back. Oh, yo, this one is good. I can't see. You can swim though. Oh, way to go, SpongeBob. Where is he? Oh, you're doing good. Reel back down. Hey, you got Squidward. Back up. Come this way. Back up. I got you. Go. Back up some more. Back up. I can see you now. Back up. All right, push your bail. Way to go, Spongy. Fish in the sea. Fish in the sea.
That was awesome.
Hey. Way to go, my man. Doesn't SpongeBob do some dance?
Yeah, he starts jumping up like that.
Yeah, where's my celebration dance? There we go. We gotta have more than 2 seconds of it. At least 5 seconds. Come on, Spongy.
Good stuff.
All right, let's get the hook out of this, Spongy. Let's see here. Here we go. Spongy, you know what this is?
Bonita?
Yeah, look down here at it. We're gonna get the hook out, and then we're gonna let a Stormtrooper and Chewbacca go after a giant fish. That sound good to you?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. They needed this out of you, though. Check out that bait. Fist bump, big dog. Yeah! The shortest Batman ever.
Holy. Holy Toledo. We're out here in Gotham City on the water. We're what? We gotta combat evil. I'm combating the evil fish. Super Slayer. Oh yeah.
Oh, Batman!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You think he's getting mad?
Right, Batman. Let's get closer to the edge.
Okay. Yes.
Where's my... Go, Batman! Hey, do you know why you're catching this fish right now?
No, why?
Because you're Batman.
Batman.
Come on, Batman! You're doing good. Actually, you can put it on the other side. Put the hook on the other side.
Anywhere,
Okay, keep going. You got it.
anywhere evil Bonita strikes, Batman.
Oh.
I feel something, Robin. Where's Robin at?
Yeah, Batman is Benito, good or bad guy?
Bonita's bad.
Look at all them fish at the front of the boat, Batman.
Can't see.
I want you to turn that direction.
Holy Toledo.
All right, bring her over to me. Now, look, I know you're part of DC and I'm part of Marvel, but we can work together. I'm not quite as dark as you, but we still get the job done. Just different means. Way to go, Batman!
We have conquered Captain America.
Oh, y'all didn't know Captain America wears sunglasses too, did you? All right, now, hey Batman, what are we gonna do next? Are we gonna hand off to some other guys?
Yes, we are. We're gonna give it to Stormtrooper and Chewbacca.
That's right, Stormtrooper and Chewbacca's next. We're going crazy. Come on, John, get him!
Get him!
Get him, John!
I got him!
Don't stop, don't stop! Come on, Chewbacca! I can't see nothing!
What do I got?
Don't
Big
stop,
Snook,
Chewie.
Big Snook.
Look at
He's
that
up, he's up.
Yay!
I don't know what it is.
It's a Snook.
Nice Snook, Chewie!
Yes!
Bring it in! Alright, put your barrel! Come on, to the front! Yeah! Put your right on the other side. Way to go, Chewie! Alright, let's get back in the water.
fun.